Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Leah Swain. I'm Sales Director for Certum Solutions. I'm going to go over the changes that they've made in Odoo version 19 release. In this video, we're going to go over the e-commerce module that's built within the website module that all comes with the Odoo subscription. And we'll do a screen share so that you can see this in action. You'll see I've moved the website application up here to the top. This is for e-commerce within the Odoo website application and the changes that were made for Odoo version 19. When you click on the website application, it's automatically going to take you to your home page. The first thing that we're going to look at is the configurations within settings, or the settings within configuration. So we're going to go ahead and go in to website, and then we're going to scroll down below to the e-commerce section of the configuration settings. Several things have changed here for version 19. You've always had the ability to turn on abandoned cart emails. Now when you turn that on, they've made it so that you don't send emails out to all the abandoned carts. It's only going to take effect for carts that are abandoned now going forward. So you can go ahead and set that up and not have to worry about reaching out to people who've had really old abandoned carts. You can also customize your email template within the settings here. You have the ability to turn on alternative products. There's a block title for that now. We'll come back to that one because that's on a different page altogether. You also have the ability to turn on click and collect for stock availability. That gives you a widget. That gives you a widget on your product page to separately show the stock availability for deliver and click and collect. You turn that on within your settings here. It allows customers to pick up their purchases at your store and pay in person. So again, the version 19 now has the ability to show the stock availability for each store. Additionally, you have a comparison tool that's entirely usable on mobile devices. The comparison tool also is set on here, your comparison price. And then lastly, you have the ability to prevent sales with a zero priced product. So when you turn that on, you can set the URL for what page that drives them to. And that's going to, that contact us button is enabled through this feature. You do have the ability to prevent sales for zero quantity products. You turn that on here in your settings. And what this is going to do is now going forward, when they go to this URL, the contact form will automatically populate with the product and the attribute that they were looking to purchase. So that's all within the configurations and settings. If we go back now to changes that were made in the e-commerce, let's go to the actual site and take a look at this. Now we're going to go to our homepage and click on shop. This is our e-commerce module. The first thing that I wanted to show you was you do have the ability to see alternative products, and they've added the functionality of naming that block title. So real quick, we're going to run back to e-commerce and go to our products. The first thing we see here is the customizable desk. So let's add that. Let's add an alternate product there. And I'll show you what that looks like here. And this is our sales and attributes, point of sale, prices, purchase, inventory. So we're going to open up our customizable desk. We're going to go over here to sales, and you'll see the option to add alternative products. We're going to go ahead and just pick an apple pie. So maybe they don't want the customizable desk, perhaps they want an apple pie. Now, when we go to the website, that quick button at the top, that'll show us how this product lists on the shopping page on your e-commerce side. And when we scroll to the bottom, we see the alternative products, and it just says alternative products. These are the products that might interest you. We can now click on edit, and we can go in and change this. Mother's apple pie. Tastes like home. So that functionality, clearly if they're looking for a desk, they wouldn't want to buy an apple pie instead, but it just shows you the functionality of being able to change that header. You can go ahead and click save, and we see that that's retained. This is specifically headers that are on each individual product. So you can change the title and everything for the alternative products per item. You don't have to do it across the board. So if there was another option, it would be totally separate. It would revert back to the original header that was there. You would have to go in and change it for any products that you add on other products, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense and I'm not being clear, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow, all that, but always feel free to reach out. We do offer demos for training and everything. If you need some clarity on anything that we go over today, as always, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to schedule some time specifically for you. Okay, beyond the alternative header, the other thing I wanted to show you is when we go to our shopping cart here, you now have a new animation. You have a button for quick reorder. So you can go back and your customers would be prompted to reorder items that they've had in the past just by going to their shopping cart and clicking on the reorder. Additionally, the accepted payments to the shopping cart. So we'll take a look here. We're going to add that to cart. Now, when you go to view your cart and you work through the checkout process, it will tell you what payments you accept. You can add this at any time on any field. Additionally, you can put it here at the bottom. To do so, you just go to Edit. Let me move myself out of here. Style. Whoops, excuse me, Edit, Blocks, and if you scroll down to the bottom, supported payment methods can now be added to your footer. It can be added to the main page, anywhere you would like to have that. So that information is new for version 19, that handy little content block. Additionally, your cart summary, you can look at how that cart summary has been improved for the mobile preview. This is your mobile toggle here at the top. It looks like a cell phone, but you can go through the checkout process and make any edits, any extra steps that you need to add. Extra step is really neat. That was turned on for version 19 as well. So you can go through and add additional steps in the checkout process as needed. So if you needed to collect, maybe you do embroidery and you want to collect specific text or additional information at the checkout, you can put in extra steps as well. Overall, there's been improvements to the checkout layout. You do have the columns and more options for the content that are being added. When you're adding your payment types, you can also turn on the click and collect that we talked about in the settings. You can now select a store at checkout that shows the available products and unavailable products, so you can save them in a wish list. How that looks, if we go back to our shopping page here, you would be able to do this at the checkout, but you can also do it for the item itself. And the customers can add this themselves. They would just simply click on the heart here, and you'll see now they have a wish list started. Additionally, as I said, when they get to checkout, if they're picking up in store and the item is not available, they'll be prompted to simply click and add it to their wish list so they have it in the future. That is the cart functionality that has been updated. The next piece that we're going to look at is the overall build and edit features within the shop itself. So we're going to go back now to our shop page. You can now add items on the website directly. And in doing so, you have filters here at the top that have been added so they can go in and select different categories from these top filters. It'll be easier for your customers to find the products that they're looking for using these top features. Additionally, when you're looking at customized products, so let's take a look here. Okay, so for customizable options, if you have 12 or more customized options here in the radio and select type, 12 will allow you to hit a button that says select more, so it's not overwhelming your customer with all the options. They'll hit select more and more options will populate. If there's over 20 options, then it will allow you to actually have a search bar. It'll automatically default to a search bar for them to search the type. Again, you can always update how this looks and what kind of buttons you have here when you go to edit mode and you select the options, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see right now they are radio buttons, but we could make them pills or colors, what have you. Additionally, you have new options for the shop block content and the style categories. So let me click out of this. And when we're on there, we highlight the whole section. Okay. And then you'll see here, you have more options for content blocks and your catalog blocks as well. You can insert different catalogs as you want. Options have been added really just to, as I said, it's all about cleaning it up, streamlining it, and efficiency, right? So what makes it easier for yourself and what makes it easier for your customers, that's the improvements that we're seeing in this version 19. Additionally, you do have a footer template with the payment methods. That's what we had discussed earlier. You can insert the payment methods anywhere you'd like. So additionally, you can put it here in the footer on the product page itself. The hover magnifier has been changed to a white box. So instead of just hovering over the product to see a view, when you click it, oops, excuse me, let me save that so you can see it from the customer's angle. Okay, so the hover, when you click on that, it now pops up in a white box, and you can expand that in and zoom as needed, move it around, however you'd want to do that. So that makes it easier for your customer than just getting that siloed little square that pops up as a magnifier. And you can actually set them up that when they select a different one here on the side, you can edit that view enlarges for them to make it easier to see. You do have now dynamic product building blocks, which are more aligned with the shop page than they had been in the past. You have a new display option for product images, including carousels, grids, and those have all been added to the product page. So if we look here in your styles, you do have the option to change your display type. You can do a carousel, a grid, however works for you, but it gives you more options for the product image display. Also, something that we did not go over in settings, but let me go back and hit that. You do have, oh, let me save here. Let's go back to our website setting configurations. Have the ability to turn on units of measure for your product page. Okay, so here within settings, you'll see the product reference price. You can add a reference price per unit of measure on products within the e-commerce site. All right, so I know we kind of went through that a little quick. I hope most of it made sense and that you were able to view it clearly on the demo. If you do want to schedule your own personal demo to see the website functionality as a whole or get more information on the e-commerce abilities or assistance setting it up, that is something that we can offer you through Certum. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. And as always, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys there. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and as always, we wish you continued success.